Family Thanksgiving by Arnie Lightning. Family Thanksgiving. The fall wind blows the leaves off the trees as I walk with my family in the chilly breeze. Dad says we're going to the store to buy a turkey, potatoes, and more. Thanksgiving Day will be here quite soon. At the store, Mom buys us a turkey balloon. She also buys a turkey for the family to eat and loads our cart with lots of treats. Dad, Ruby, and I go get the potatoes. We also buy squash, corn, and tomatoes. And we can't forget the chocolate pie. My sister and I, together we cry. An hour later, we finally leave. We've bought more food than you would believe. But Mom says the work has only begun. She can't wait till all the cooking is done. Thanksgiving, I wake up bright and early. I can't sleep because I'm feeling too squirrely. Ruby and I watch a parade on TV. There are so many colorful floats to see. When we're finished, it's time to set the table. We make it as nice as we are able. Dad carves the turkey. Mom bakes the pies. I can hardly wait until the relatives arrive. Nana and then Papa get here first, with my silly aunt that is a nurse. We jump into their arms, where they hug us and kiss us. They tell us we've grown and that they've missed us. More aunts and uncles are the next to arrive, with my 3 little cousins, all younger than 5. The baby is crying, and I think I am doomed, when her 2 older sisters hurry up to my room. My room is off limits, I loudly exclaim, as they almost destroy my favorite board game. Downstairs, we all rush and we arrive at the door to see that our party has grown even more. My Uncle Zan is here with a large bushy beard. He's a whole lot of fun, but he's also quite weird. He does bad magic tricks for me and my sister. Then he rumbles my hair and asks, "What do you think of that, mister?" His wife, Aunt Joy, pinches all of our cheeks, as if it's been years since she's seen us, not weeks. "My, aren't you darling?" she tells Ruby loudly, and my sister, being Ruby, of course, smiles proudly. By now, the house is filled with chatting, laughing people, and the noise is so loud it shouldn't be legal. But we all quiet down, like my growling tummy. The moment we sit down to eat, oh, how yummy. The turkey is juicy, the potatoes are fluffy. Mom's souffle is especially puffy. I eat double helpings of cranberry and rolls, but when the turnips come by, I just pass the bowl. We eat till we're full, and then we have pie. Pumpkin's my favorite, whipped cream piled high. Now it's time to wash dishes, which is a little sad, because our feast is all over, but that's not so bad. And why not, you might ask? Why isn't it bad? If I tell you the reason, you'll surely be glad. It's 'cause Christmas is coming in just a few weeks. Why, I already see Christmas lights down the street. How long until Christmas, Mom? Ruby asks now. But all our mom does is just raise her brow. Thanksgiving's not over. Now calm down and enjoy. But my sister and I, we can't wait for new toys. The end.